In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Hulu Gift Card. Let's begin by opening your browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, the process is the same. Simply locate the browser icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click. This will bring you to the main search page, where we'll take our next steps. Once your browser is open, type in the web address hulu.com/gift. This will direct you to the Hulu Gift Card redemption page. It's important to enter the web address exactly as I have said to ensure you land on the correct page. This is crucial because using the wrong web page could lead to errors or delays in redeeming your gift card. Next, make sure to log into your Hulu account. If you're not already logged in, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials carefully. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Logging in is necessary because this ensures that the gift card credit is applied to the right account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a field where you can enter your Hulu gift card code. Take your time to input the code correctly. It's a combination of letters and numbers, so double check for any mistakes. This step is important because an incorrect code won't allow you to redeem your gift card. After entering the code, click on the button labeled Redeem. This action will process your gift card and apply the credit to your account. You should see a confirmation message on the screen. This makes sure your changes are saved, and it's a good idea to keep an eye out for that confirmation. With the code redeemed, you will be asked to confirm your current Hulu plan. This could be the basic plan, the no ads plan, or another option you have chosen. It's a simple step where you just need to verify that the plan displayed is the one you want. Confirming your plan is essential because it dictates how your gift card credit will be used and ensures that your viewing experience is uninterrupted. Once you've confirmed your plan, your gift card credit becomes part of your account balance. This credit will automatically pay for your subscription until the balance is used up. You don't need to take any further action. Each month, Hulu will deduct the subscription fee from your available balance. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it eliminates the need for manual payments each month. With that ready, you can now enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Hulu without any hassle. If the balance runs out, you can always add another gift card or select a different payment method to continue your subscription. And there you have it. You have successfully used a Hulu gift card to pay for your subscription. Remember, this simple process of going to the Hulu gift page, redeeming your code, choosing your plan, and enjoying streaming will keep you entertained until your balance runs out. Thanks for joining me today, and happy streaming with Hulu.